Imagine you check out one library book. Then the library computer says, you checked out that same book 3 times. Same book, same date, 3 separate charges. That is how student loans can look on credit reports. One loan can turn into several trade lines, which means account listings after disbursements or servicer transfers. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. Your report tells a story to lenders, landlords, banks, and insurers. If one student loan is reporting like 2 live balances, your story may look heavier than it should. It is like carrying 1 backpack, but your report says you are carrying 3. Here is the big move. Look for old student loan accounts that should say closed, transferred, or paid to another lender with a 0 balance. If the old account still shows a live balance and the new servicer also shows a live balance, that can make it look like you owe twice. That is dispute material. Now check the payment history. Deferment and forbearance are approved pauses or reduced payment periods. If you were approved, the servicer should not report late payments for months covered by that approval. Think of it like your teacher giving you extra time on an assignment, then still marking it late. That is not the right story. Do not check just one report. Compare Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion side by side. One bureau may show the old loan closed, another may show it open, another may show a different balance. It is like 3 grocery receipts for the same shopping trip. If the totals do not match, you need to find out why. A strong dispute is specific. Do not just say, "This is wrong." Say what is wrong. For example, this account was transferred and should show a 0 balance. Or, these late payments happened during approved forbearance. Ask the bureau to investigate and ask the servicer, which is the company reporting the account, to verify the details. Smart disputing is not pretending a real loan never existed. It is correcting wrong reporting. Do not dispute everything with the same copy-paste reason. Do not guess dates. Save proof, like deferment letters, forbearance approvals, transfer notices, payment records, and screenshots. A dispute is like a recipe. The right details make the whole dish work better. This can feel scary because student loan reports often look crowded. 850 AI helps you slow it down. It can help you compare bureaus, spot duplicate-looking trade lines, organize the facts, and write a clear dispute. The goal is simple. Make the credit report tell the true story, not a messy version that makes you look riskier.